Alright team, we're going to be doing a pageplus activation today. Pageplus is unique and I'll show you why. When we go into the TFS portal, we're going to go ahead, instead of going straight to the activation tab, we're going to go to subscriber tools. Under subscriber tools, we're going to do CDMA BYOP eligibility. Again, the BYOP is bring your own phone. We're going to hit pageplus. We're going to input the IMEI number of the device we're trying to activate, followed by the zip code. Check for eligibility, and here we go. Your device is ready to activate. So now that we know that it's compatible, we'll hit the activation tab, go to TSP activation. We're going to select our brand, which is pageplus. We're going to select our plan, enter our IMEI number, the SIM card number, followed by the zip code. Is this support? If the customer wants a new number, simply no and pay on IAS's account. If you do want to keep your old number, you hit yes. You fill out all the port information required. And just like in every other video, crucial component is the account number. We must verify that this account number is correct, followed by the PIN. If either of these are incorrect, we'll lose money and have to start the port all over. If you have any questions, please contact your administrator.